Hey there guys, it's Gordon with the YouTube channel. This is how I did it. In this video today, I'm going to show you guys how you can do a quote to have your roof replaced all by yourself. You just need to do it on your computer. You use a website called freeroofquote.com, and then just like Google Maps. Let's zoom, make me a little bit smaller here, and oops, me all the way off screen. Make me a little smaller so you can see what I'm doing here. First off, like I said, the website's called freeroofquote.com. We're going to jump into up here on the top, free roof calculator. You can jump into that. Okay. But first, let's go into Google Maps. So we're going to go to Google Maps. I just found a shop somewhere that you're going to roof this. This is simple, guys. So find your house, and you can do it from either the satellite view, or you can do it from layers. Usually it's easier to just do it from layers. This is a pretty good outline of your house without trees and shadows and stuff. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your mouse, you're going to right click one of the corners, doesn't matter what corner, but right click one of the corners, and just, I would go just outside the outline of the house. So click there, and go down to measure distance. Okay, so you got that corner marked. You're going to come down here to this corner, mark it, this corner. Basically, you're just outlining this house. This is actually a shop, but you know what I mean. And then get back to where you started. Boom, you got a circle. This is a total distance, or the total area you have is 20,000. Basically, 20013 square feet. Okay, so I'm going to go back to our calculator. Free roof quote, scroll down here, and you're going to get down into this little green thing here. You're going to double tap this top box, and you're going to write in 20013, which was our number right here, right here. Okay, so that's a square, so that is a two-dimensional square footage of this shop. Okay, so you put that in there, and then leave this at a 1. So it says the square footage of the roof is 20,000 square feet. The pitch is a 612. Now, if this was flatter, let's say it's a flat roof, you'd click on flat roof. And what that's going to do is it's going to add the pitch in for the roof to make it three-dimensional, to give it the, the rise of the roof, because if it's a 612, it's, not like that. If it's an 812, it's going to go up a little higher. If it's flat, it's going to be flat. So the more the pitch, the more roofing it's going to take. Okay, so you're going to say it's a 612 pitch, which is a standard pitch. With that added on, now the square footage is 23,615. So it went up 3,600 square feet. It's quite a bit. That's a big shop. So scroll down a little bit more. It's automatically going to add waste of 12%. Some roofers say 10%, some say 15%, so it's grabbed right in the middle at 12. So with the waste, you're at 26,000 square feet. Then you come down here to the roofing. What kind of roofing you want? Well, I'm going to say they probably want metal roofing. Metal roofing, so lock seam. To do that roof, it's going to cost $191,000. I mean, that's a big shop. If we go back to the satellite view, see how small these cars look compared to that shop? That's a big shop. I mean, that's a big shop. So, yeah, that's a chunk of change. Say you're going to do just a 30-year asphalt roof, you're still at 116. Oh, a big roof. Wow. 50-year, 157. Concrete tile, $225,000 just to put a roof on this place. Let's go find something a little bit not so big. Just grab a house. I don't know if we'll use a house. I think this is a regular house right here, I think. Yeah, it's probably a house. Grab this house right here and see how big it is. Zoom in on it. Yeah, that was a big shop. Right click, measure this. Oh, clear distance. We saw it from before. Measure distance. There, there, there. Yeah, it's a little bit better. This is a standard house, 1,600 square feet. Okay, so let's go back to our calculator. Type in 16. What was it? 16. Right here, 1601. And it's probably a 612. So let's take the concrete tile out of it, put 30-year roofing on it. Yeah, that's what we're like, the prices that we're probably dealing with. $9,300. That was pretty simple. How you got basically a rough estimate of what your roof's going to cost in just, I don't know, 5 minutes. Pretty simple, guys. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. Again, it's freeroofquote.com. You can also find roofing companies in there. Just put in the city where you live. Let's say it's Bend, Oregon. Hit Bend, hit search, and it'll bring up all the contractors that work in service the Bend area. Boom, boom. All right, guys, thanks. Have a great day.